Good morning, all of you. My name is Ranish Kumar Sharma. Today, your very important topic application of computers. The invention of computers has led to the advancement in science and technology. Life has become more efficient with the use of computers in our day to day life. Full stop. Earlier, it has mainly used by large organizations for scientific research and engineering application. Full stop. But today, computers are used in almost every field of our life. The major area of computer application are as follow. The first field application of computers, military. Computers play a vital role in the design and development of high-tech weapons for defense where absolute accuracy is essential. The whole world saw the extensive use of computers in defense during the Gulf and Afghanistan and the Iraq War. Computerized simulation exercises are very helpful in training the pilots. Full stop. Computers help in fighting terror and terrorists, and their hideouts can be located anywhere in the world with the high accuracy. Full stop. Computer technology enables government around the world to successfully execute their plans through effective planning. The world saw how America located Osama bin Laden with the help of computers. So here we use the computer in military field. We want to develop the weapons. Okay, we want to find out the terrorist. So we use the computer. And second field, banks. Banks, as a result of computerization and networking of a large number of banks, several facilities are being offered to customers. Say in bank, we use the computer. We want to connect the two PCs. We want to set the network. So we use the computer. We want to say we use the computer in ATM machine. This is the facility provided to the banks to the customer. Using online banking, you can check your real-time balance and all the details of past transaction. Money can easily be transferred to any account across the globe. Internet banking also allows you to use an ATM or debit card to shop, buy tickets, pay bills for utility services like electricity, telephone, and postpaid mobile phone connection. Full stop. You can even subscribe to free monthly bank account statements and apply online to open fixed deposits. The facility of subscribing to mobile banking enable you to virtually carry the bank with you. So in bank we use the computer. We want to transfer the money. We want to check the balance. Okay, pay the electricity bills, telephones bills, etc. This type of the facility provide the bank to the customer. But in this field, in this operation, we use the computer. Okay, and third field, research. Computers facilitate research work in every effective way by performing complex computation which sometimes seem impossible for humans. Some of them listed below. So here, how to use the computer in research. So here you see the list. First list, the computation required for launching a new satellite into space or one such example. Second list, earthquake and tsunami warning are possible with the aid of computer. So here you want to access the information earthquake and tsunami, so we use the computer. And third, weather forecasting is done with the help of computer. You want to access the information of the weather forecasting, so we use the computer. And last, impact of nuclear test can be studied using the computer. So here you want to access the information of the nuclear test, so we use the computer. Okay. And next field, education. Education, aided learning and teaching is revolutionizing our education system. The multimedia-rich computerized animation and video help students to understand the concept in a very simple and effective manner. So here in education field, with the help of the computer, we access the information of the project, etc. You want to solve the any problem, so you use the internet and connect the internet to the computer and access the information. This type of the facility provide the education field with the help of the computer. Virtual classroom are a reality nowadays. This technology uses video conferencing and online modules of study material for learning. Video conferencing, we want to talk to our teachers face to face. This type of the facility is called the video conferencing. So nowadays we use this type of the facility in education, but you do the operation, this type of the operation with the help of the computer and mobile phone. Okay. The students, so with the help of the computer, we do this type of the operation, video conferencing, online modules, solve the education problem, solve the question, solve the how to create the robots, etc. This type of the facility included in education field. With the advent of e-learning, a student can study according to their time schedule. Now, it has become possible to conduct online entrance exam at national and international level with the help of computers. से nowadays हम लोग जानते हैं कोरोना में है, तो इस समय हम लोग की ऑनलाइन टेस्ट चल रही है, तो वी do this type of the operation with the help of the computer. Okay, online entrance exam. The result of various education board as well as entrance exam are available online. A student can find information about various colleges through the internet and can apply online for the desired courses. So these type of the operation and facility provide to the education field, but we do this type of the operation with the help of the computer and internet services. Next, media and communication. Computers have played a major role in revolutionizing the communication system from the advent of telephone and TV, which were perceived as incredible things. We have come a long way to enjoy products and facilities like mobile phones, internet, email, SMS, chatting, cable TV, video conferencing, etc. So in media and communication, we use the internet services and computer. You want to share the files one computer to another computer. You want to send the SMS, send the email, Okay, so this type of the facility included in media and communication. Music can be composed by using the MIDI. MDI full form musical instrument digital interface, which allow editing and controlling of sound. Okay, so MIDI stands for musical instrument digital interface, which allow editing and controlling of sound. A variety of musical formats can be played as well as recorded by using the computer. Many video editing software with rich functionalities are also available. Okay, so we perform this type of the operation with the help of the computer in media and communication field. And second, criminal identification and law enforcement. Computers can create matching photograph of criminal by using the description. जैसे nowadays we use the आधार कार्ड. आप कभी भी कहीं जाते हैं तो आपका आधार कार्ड चेक होता है, उससे आपका क्या हुआ है, क्रिमिनल आइडेंटिफिकेशन एंड लॉ इन्फोर्समेंट. तो फेस मैचिंग एंड रिकॉग्नाइजेशन software is also available. This helps CBI stands for Central Bureau of Investigation staff to identify the criminals. The police uses DNA printing technique to identify the accused with the help of skin, hair, blood sample collected from the site of crime. तो यहाँ पर किसी भी आतंकवादी या किसी भी क्रिमिनल्स को पहचानने के लिए पुलिस DNA फिंगर्स को यूज करती है. बट वी यूज दिस टाइप ऑफ द ऑपरेशन विद द हेल्प ऑफ द कंप्यूटर. ओके, द ट्रैफिक पुलिस यूजेज स्पीड कैमरा ऑन ट्रैफिक लाइट्स to monitor people for law violation. The police also uses computer to track the information of stolen automobiles and mobile phones in order to catch the criminal in less time. जैसे आप कभी भी मोबाइल खो जाती है या कार खो जाती है तो आप उसको कैसे पकड़ते हैं, कंप्यूटर्स के थ्रू. ओके, और ये फैसिलिटी आपकी किस में होती है, क्रिमिनल identification and law enforcement. Okay, so we perform this type of the operation with the help of the computer. And next, entertainment at home. The computer is being used for education as well as entertainment. With a computer, the members of a family can have an easy access to games, music, movies, email, chatting, and even do research for their projects and assignments. People can also watch television on their computers. So we use this type of the facility in this field. And next, business. Computer has greatly helped in the improvement of business activities throughout the world. Organization can easily have access to the latest technology and manpower across the world. E-commerce has completely changed the scenario of online shopping. Okay, e-commerce means you want to transfer the money, online shopping, etc. This type of the services is called the e-commerce. Global business relation can now be maintained through the internet. Computers are used in offices for maintaining sales and marketing records, stock controls, planning production, tax record, preparing employee payroll, etc. So these type of the operation do with the help of the computer in business field. Animation and films. In the field of entertainments, computers are used for making animation and cartoon films, producing the special music effects and fantas- bringing fantasy to life in movie. Cartoon characters like Walt Disney, Mickey Mouse, and Donald, Tom and Jerry, etc. Okay, so we use the animation and uh, film. So we create this type of the cartoons. Okay, are given animation effects through computers, but you create this type of the animation with the help of the computer. Movies like Jurassic Park, Godzilla, Avatar, Happy Feet, Robot, Koi Mil Gaya, and Kung Fu Panda have used the latest computer animation techniques for creating special effects. So first you create the animation and then you set the effects. So we do this type of the operation with the help of the computer, and this type of the facility we use in animation and films. And next, book publishing. In book publishing, with the help of a computer, designing the page, typing and editing work can be done with the great ease and efficiency. We can insert picture, apply various formatting features and style to a book very quickly using a computer. So you want to develop the front page of the book, to view the computer. You want to insert the picture, okay, on any page, to view the computer. So these fields are very important. Computer application, application of computer. Okay, thank you.